Today I'd like to take you on a journey to create the most expensive sandwich I've ever made. So let the journey begin. Yep, over $100 slab of meat. This is one decadent piece of meat, A5 Wagyu ribeye from Kyoto, Japan. Look at the gorgeous marbling. A5 is the highest grade given to the finest beef, and this is a perfect representation of A5 Wagyu. We're gonna season both sides with the standard salt and pepper. And since we're gonna be making a tonkatsu sandwich, I'm gonna show you how to prepare the coating. First, we're going to blend the egg in with some all-purpose flour. Once you get that all stirred up, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of water because we're going to make a cohesive batter. We're going to apply this batter to the meat, which will allow the breadcrumbs to adhere nicely. So we're going to transfer the batter over so it makes coating a little easier. And we're going to measure our meat to get that perfect cut. Now we're going to coat the meat with the batter we just prepared. Want to coat both sides pretty nicely. Now we're going to spread some breadcrumbs onto a tray. Then we're going to coat the piece of meat evenly on each side. I'm going to put on some finishing touches to make sure it's pretty much coated on each side. Then we're going to pour in about a cup of oil. I'm using safflower oil. We're going to raise the temperature of the oil over medium-low heat to about 200 degrees Celsius. Then in goes the beef. I'm going to fry this piece of meat 30 seconds on each side to get to a good medium rare. Because this is such a delicate piece of meat, I don't want to overcook it. Once it's cooked, I'm going to set it aside. And now, prepare the Tonkatsu sauce. I'm gonna stir all the ingredients really nice and well with a fork. And now we'll set the sauce aside. Now I'm gonna heat some truffle oil over some butter on low heat to make the perfect toast to top off the sandwich. This beef deserves the perfect bread pairing, so we're gonna go with this awesome Japanese milk bread and toast it perfectly. Now it's time to build. We're gonna add our delicious sauce to the bread. We're gonna coat both sides. Top it off with this A5 beef katsu. Close off the sandwich for a miraculous A5 beef Wagyu Katsu. So now we're gonna cut off the edges for aesthetic purposes. But of course, I'm gonna eat all the edges because this is one expensive piece of meat. Now we're gonna try to cut it into 3 equal pieces. Voila! One magnificent A5 Wagyu sandwich. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.